Hey guys, it is Matt with Paragon Funded Trader. Just want to go over something that actually happened to me when I first started trading. Uh, this is a real issue because trading can get addicting, right? And so I would go, let's just say I would not stop trading just because it was nighttime. And it's bad for you for in so many ways, but I'm going to talk about how it's bad for your trading. So sleep deprivation doesn't just make you tired, it can impair the exact parts of your brain responsible for controlling risk and making good decisions. And that can show up directly in your trading, obviously. This isn't just trading folklore. Sleep research has consistently connected inadequate sleep with impaired prefrontal cortex function, the area involved in impulse control, weighing consequences, regulating emotions, those things. When you're running on too little sleep, you're more vulnerable to emotional reactions and riskier decision making. That's a dangerous combination when every decision has money attached to it. For a funded trader, this isn't some minor inconvenience. Your mental state is part of your risk management system, guys. If your decision making is impaired, your trading plan can start falling apart and usually does. Think about what happens after a loss. When you're exhausted, that impulse to increase your position, revenge trade, and make the money back, oh, that becomes much harder to resist. Or maybe you move your stop or don't use one at all because you emotionally can't accept taking another loss. That's exactly the kind of decision that can turn a manageable loss into an account threatening one. And then there's revenge trading, right? You take a loss, get frustrated, and your competitive genes take over, you immediately jump back into the market trying to recover it. At that point, you're no longer following your process, you're reacting. You're saying, I refuse to let the market take money from me, I'm going to get it back. You don't need a sleep tracker to do something about this. The practical rule is simple. If you've gotten significantly less sleep than normal, reduce your position size before the trading session starts. And notice what I'm saying to do it before the session, not after you've already taken a bad trade. Don't wait for a loss to prove that you're not operating at your normal level. A smaller position gives you room to make decisions without putting the account at unnecessary risk. Sometimes the smartest trade, guys, is simply reducing your exposure when you're not operating at your best. All right, guys, trade well.